So, even though a lot of times I know better, I don't always do better because I'm not perfect. So yesterday, I really lost my cool, and some of y'all might say it for no reason. I don't know. Maybe let me know in the comments. But it might be a Virgo thing, but that's no excuse either. I'm just saying, my pet peeve is actually repeating myself more than 2 or 3 times. Like 2 or 3 times, I've been working on that, and I've been doing pretty good with that. But if I have to repeat myself 5, 6, 7 times, by the time I do it the 4th or 5th time, I'm already past the head scratching, and yeah, my ears got smoke coming out of them by then. Because I feel like you're playing with my intelligence, or you just picking for whatever reason. I don't know, maybe you're just a toxic person and you can't help yourself. But anyway, so yeah, somebody who I share DNA with, who's known me longer than I know myself, pissed me off to that point yesterday for no apparent reason. And I was in a fantastic mood. I had just ran into my homeboy who I grew up with. Just got home last year from doing about 20 years in the penitentiary. I haven't seen him in about 25. And he made it his business to hunt me down when he saw me walking. So right after that, the next block, somebody else was trying to weigh me down. So I'm like, damn, they really messing with the kid today. I was in a great mood. And then that happened, like out of nowhere. So I know I'm rambling a little bit right now, but I do have a message in this mess, right? So, and this was the realest thing I heard in forever. So I got to share it. And I'm definitely going to read it to make sure I don't mess it up, because I don't have it on cap. So we live in a fake world full of fake people working fake jobs with a bunch of fake co-workers and fake bosses who they hate. Another post. Paying for fake schools, fake education, fake entertainers, fake leaders, and fake politicians who use the fake media to keep us distracted that everything is fucking fake as hell. Did I say food and water yet? Yeah, that's fake too, y'all, if you didn't know. Like, since when did water get ingredients? I thought water was H2O. That's what they taught us. I'm a Gen Xer. I don't know what they're teaching these new people. But, yeah, so even though I know better, I don't always do better because I'm not perfect. So that's why I had to put this one out there specifically for myself and for somebody else out there, because I know somebody else needs to hear that too, right? The universe doesn't care if you're a good or bad person, and we talked about this before. The universe doesn't care about your circumstances. The universe is just going to return the energy that you put out. And as a Virgo, I'm pretty good at that. And that's exactly what happened last night, because again, I was in a fantastic mood at the time this happened. Like, I'm still mind-boggled. But I say that to say this. A snake doesn't always hiss before it bites. And all your friends and family that smile in your face are sometimes competing with you behind your back. You know, there's a thin line between support and surveillance. So yeah, I think I got everything off my chest. Today was a rant day, but I had to do it because I know somebody probably needed to hear something I just said, hopefully. And maybe that somebody is me after I watched the replay. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, but y'all know I always gotta leave y'all with my favorite gem. I'm gonna have to copyright this for y'all steal it, because I know some of y'all like to steal. But anyway, either your mind will expand. Hold up, before I even get to that. So, if I said anything that resonated, please comment below. If I said anything that confused you, let's talk about it in the comments. And some of y'all probably know this. Well, he don't have that dry fit shirt on today. No, I sure don't. I actually got on my Fire Your Boss t-shirt. And we're gonna be doing a lot of that on this channel, but before I even talk too much about that, I do want to say I have an announcement to make. New t-shirt brand, well, actually a brand that I was partnered with before has brought me out of retirement. So now I'll be transitioning from the logistics back into the t-shirt game. Among other things, we'll be doing events and classes also. So y'all get ready for that. That's all I'm gonna say about that on this one. So make sure you like and subscribe, and so you don't miss when the new t-shirts come out very, very soon. And with that said, either your mind will expand to match your money, or your money will just shrink to match your mind. Let's grow, y'all.